Engineers. They live among us. Quiet, logical, slightly caffeinated. We see them in meetings. We hear them typing. And yet their ways remain mostly undocumented. I'm Wendy Hurst. In this series from Hero Devs, we delve deep into their natural and sometimes unnatural habitats, like conference centers, terminal windows, and poorly ventilated stand-up meetings, to observe their behaviors, to decode their rituals, and to ask, who are they? Where did they come from? Where are they going? How do they communicate? Hold on, I'm getting a Slack message. This is Engineers in the Wild. Today I've come to Open Source Summit North America in Denver, what some might call a seasonal migration pattern, where these technologists have gathered to refresh and interact, much like birds at a feeder, but with more laptops and fewer feathers. Field notes ready. What is migration? I hear it a lot, but nobody's leaving.
That's just moving code from one to the other.
Migration is moving one thing to the other.
Where do you go when you migrate?
Are you more solitary, migratory, or aggressively territorial?
Migratory.
How does your pack decide when it's time to move on?
At least once in its life cycle, every software project goes through what experts call the Great Rewrite. This is when engineers decide the current system, despite years of development and millions of dollars, should be entirely replaced by something identical, but built with slightly newer syntax. What follows is chaos, caffeine, and weeks of Jira tickets labeled work in progress with 3 question marks.
There is definitely someone who's simultaneously prophesizing and yelling rewrite really loudly.
A double whammy.
Double whammy.
Biologists call this irrational. Engineers call this spring cleaning. If we tagged your movement around this event, what kind of pattern would we notice?
You would feel like this guy has no idea what he's doing.
Does this conference feel more like a nesting ground, a migration point, or a feeding frenzy?
Feeding frenzy.
And so, our time in the wild comes to an end. We've tracked the engineers as they migrated across tracks, lunch lines, and panel rooms, searching for newer versions, warmer frameworks, and a sense of purpose between sessions. What have we learned? Sometimes the journey is less about where you're going and more about the stack you abandon along the way. Engineers in the Wild is brought to you by Hero Devs, supporting your legacy code long past its official expiration date, so you don't have to upgrade every Tuesday. Until next time, stay caffeinated, stay compliant, and if someone tells you the migration will be simple, run.